Bread and milk, everyday essentials in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrases bread and milk. These are not just basic food items, but also a part of many idiomatic expressions and daily conversations in English. Understanding these terms will enhance your vocabulary and help you in everyday English conversations. Bread and milk are staple food items in many cultures. Bread, a baked food made from flour and water, is common in Western diets. It comes in various forms like loaves, rolls, or baguettes. Milk, a nutritious liquid produced by mammals, is a key ingredient in many dishes and beverages. It's high in calcium and often consumed on its own or with cereal. In English, bread and milk also have symbolic meanings. Bread, for instance, can represent basic necessities or money, as in earning one's bread. It's used in phrases like breadwinner, someone who earns for a family, or the best thing since sliced bread, something very innovative or useful. Milk can symbolize nourishment and purity. It's found in expressions like milking something to take advantage of a situation, and the milk of human kindness, care and compassion towards others. In many English-speaking countries, bread and milk are seen as essential groceries, often bought regularly. They're also among the first items to sell out during emergencies or snowstorms, symbolizing preparation and basic needs. Understanding this context helps in grasping the cultural nuances of these terms in English conversations. I hope this video has helped you understand the significance of bread and milk in English. These are not just food items, but terms rich with meaning, used in everyday language and expressions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these terms like a native speaker. See you in the next video.